On this episode of Our Little Warehome,
we're gonna design my master bathroom.
And hopefully we don't break the budget. We're the Branch family, just ordinary people who decided to buy an 80-year-old warehouse and turn it into our downtown family home. Come along with us and experience all the hard work and thousands of decisions it's going to take to turn this derelict warehouse into our little warehome.
As you can see, the Warehome has come a long way. We've gone from a rat-infested warehouse to something that's starting to look like a home.
In the last episode, we worked with the Lowe's in-store design team to design our dream kitchen. Now it's time to design the room I spend the least amount of time in, the master bathroom.
We have a lot of issues with our current master bathroom, starting with the layout. We want to fix those with a new floor plan. We have double vanity sinks, long integrated countertops, and I take over 90% of it. Allan and I cannot be in this bathroom together. It is shaped like a galley, so we're constantly bumping into each other.
For our new master bathroom, we wanted a completely different design. So we split the bathroom in half, giving Anna her side for all her junk, and a space for me for my razor and toothbrush. But those changes don't fix all our problems. So Anna and I sat down with our local Lowe's designer, Carmelita, and told her all the things we dislike about our current bathroom.
For me, I'm short, so the sinks are a perfect height. But for Allan, they're too low, so when he brushes his teeth, it goes everywhere. When he shaves, hair is everywhere.
I literally have a bathroom countertop right now that's like thigh high. It's like mid-thigh. I have to like stoop over.
What a lot of people have done in the past is you'll actually build like a platform, depending on how high you want it to be, and then you actually set the cabinets on top of that platform.
So you don't have to pick just like a demo kitchen, you have things custom built.
Right, yes.
Okay.
I also really need the Lowe's design team to help me out with ideas for storage. As far as cabinets go in the bathroom, I do need a place to store, towels and
Anna has a different wash for every portion. Like she's like a facial wash, like a foot wash, like knee washes. She spends half the time in the shower like cracking open bottles and like.
The vanity here that I want has a flip up top to it.
Okay.
So I can store all my mess down inside of it and then have my makeup mirror, and then when I'm done fixing this glorious face, close it up and go to town. Can the cabinet makers make something like that?
Of course, yes. I mean, they're master carpenters, so they can do anything you want them to do.
Okay. Currently, when we have dirty laundry, I have to haul it downstairs all the way to the back of the house like a pack mule. One idea we have is to have our own washer and dryer in our master bathroom just for us, and let the kids have their own laundry room upstairs for their use. Where can we put a laundry basket?
You don't really have enough space to put like a traditional laundry basket cabinet and still have the washer and dryer on that side. On either side of the actual vanity, we could put some tall cabinets to kind of frame it in, and then do like some roll-out trays in the bottom to make it more accessible to put your laundry detergents and stuff in.
Is there a way we can tile the bathroom to put like a line down the middle of it so it's like my side, your side? What about like a little wall that runs through?
No.
We designed our bathroom a little bit unusual. Most people tuck away their master bedroom closet. We actually put it as a transitional room between our master bedroom and our master bathroom. Let's show you. Come on in.
We did the closet this way so it would dampen the noise between the bedroom and the bathroom.
I don't like being woken up in the middle of the night because Anna's running back and forth between the bathroom. So I wanted a sound barrier to let me sleep nice.
Great.
Check out the bathroom.
This is our master bathroom space. We'll have my side over here, and Allan gets a small side over here that he shares with the washer and dryer.
Anna's side has a custom vanity built by their master carpenters who work with Lowe's. She can stuff all her tools and lotions and makeups all there so it doesn't get on my side. Now my side's small, compact, easy to get to, and a little bit higher because I'm 6'4". Let's talk about our shower.
Our shower is a walk-in shower that'll have regular faucet and a rain head here. It'll be tile and a sit-down bench.
Our poo-poo area.
Oh my gosh.
Our toilet area is not a typical toilet area. We're putting in a urinal here. Now, most residential homes do not have urinals. I don't know why, they're not very expensive, but I'm tired of lifting the lids on toilets. I think it's disgusting. We should all be putting urinals in our bathrooms. And we'll be installing the world's most powerful exhaust fan.
We got up with Bob to nail down the materials that we wanted in our bathroom. If you remember, he helped us out with our kitchen, so we were excited to work with him again on our bathroom.
Welcome to the Isle of Tile.
This is where you'll find square tile, stone tile, metallic tile, glass tile, all sorts of tile, but choosing the right tile is hard. So we asked Bob to help us out.
I like that look right there, whatever that is.
You could do mixed.
I don't know.
I like that. I like it with the
Tough
mix.
decision.
You like it with the mix? That does look really, really cool.
What does that say about me as a homeowner?
Oh my gosh.
Does that look luxurious, sophisticated?
I say it looks like someone who's doing something a little bit different, because you don't see that in everybody's home.
Good call. Good call, Bob.
Look, what do you think of these ones?
I like that. I like this. I like this better than that.
Whoa. Okay.
But I also like the idea too of doing rock floors, or even one wall in the shower, different tile.
Okay.
So maybe they match.
Okay, so what you have here is you have the full stone look right here, and then we also have it where they're kind of cut in half, so I'll pull this one out, and I'll show you this one right here.
And these really don't hurt your feet?
They don't hurt your feet.
I'm
they're
delicate.
really, really smooth, and they feel amazing.
In fact, I used to flip houses in Sweden, and it's a very trendy thing in
Okay.
Scandinavia to put
That's all you gotta say, and I'm in for that. If you say this is popular in Panama City, no.
Exactly.
When you say this is what the Swedes like,
That's what the Swedes like. When you get in the shower and you turn the hot water on and it hits the stones and it warms them up, it feels amazing under the feet.
I think this rocks.
So cheesy. We just picked out this blue stone tile that'll go with my blue glass and my gray and white flooring. I'm stoked.
Now that we've chosen our tile, we need to pick out other stuff, like the faucets, the sinks, and the shower doors. So we leaned on Bob to help us again.
Like, only thing I see different is the styling and or the size of the shower head. And so, like, how do you pick between all these?
A big part of it all is going to be style. This right here is going to be the brushed nickel,
Yes.
and then you have the chrome, of course, and then the dark one, like you see over there, that's the oil rub bronze. And then, of course, some of them are a little different than another one. For example, this Delta right here, it has a removable wand inside the actual shower head. And the one right next to it, you don't have the wand at all. So
I like the wand.
some of them just offer different features.
Then we can give the dog a bath, or you can give the dog a bath, not me. So tell me the difference in the sinks.
Okay, the difference in sinks is you're going to have stainless steel, you're going to have cast iron, and you're going to have something called a composite.
Okay.
And that is what this is. This is going to be a drop-in or an undermount sink.
Is drop-in better than undermount, or is that just the style?
Most people, if they have a quartz or a granite countertop, they're going to use an undermount sink. It's a lot cleaner when you're wiping things off. There's no seams to push dirt into, so it's much, much cleaner and it looks nicer. So what we have here, instead of a sliding door, we have a pivot door.
Okay.
And of course, it's a much thicker, heavier glass door. It's really, really nice.
Hey, check out this system. It clicks. Hear it? I like it. It click. You hear the clicking?
Yes.
I like it, and I like these too.
Can you get out of the shower?
It's smooth. What's your most powerful exhaust fan?
The most powerful exhaust fan will probably be 300 or 500 cubic feet per minute. So that's going to be for a large kind of bathroom.
So what are you doing?
There's another shower right here. It's like Star Trek.
Beam him away, please. After picking out faucets and shower heads, we went back to Carmelita to see how the design was coming along. Can we put it so that we can see like a 3D view of it? Yeah.
So Allan, what do you think of your side of the bathroom?
It looks amazing. For as much time as I'm gonna spend in the bathroom, I want it to be spectacular.
So this will be my sit-down vanity.
Yep, this is your makeup area. You've got this up here, which is kind of for storage, and then another extra drawer there, and then a set of drawers down here.
Is there gonna be shelves in that big thing, or what's the?
There are shelves up there, yeah. And then this is actually your pull-out where I was telling you could put your hair dryer and your curling iron and things.
I love it.
So, and then this will, even though it's got drawers there, they make a drawer that's got like a U shape.
Okay, so my
that's
sink will go there.
Yeah, when the contractors install it for you, they'll switch out these drawers for those U-shaped ones.
And then I can do a mirror to cover that whole back wall.
Yes, uh-huh.
So we have the drawings. We like the cabinets. Anna's excited. What do we do now?
Okay, so now that you've picked everything else, Bob will get with you in the next few days to give you a quote on the price and the workup and everything.
I'm excited to get into my bathroom, put on my makeup in front of my new vanity mirror.
And I'm excited to sit on the toilet.
The design team at Lowe's managed to fit just about every one of my crazy design ideas into the bathroom, and it was free. I can't wait to try out my new bathroom, but I have to. On the next episode, we start interior construction. It's gonna get loud and messy. You'll see.